Now you're done with the firmware updated Sony FX6 and you're thinking how you can enable your Big 6 screen on Sony FX6. So to do that, first of all, you guys need to assign a button on your Sony FX6 for that. And this feature on Sony FX6 is called Home. And the best button for that, I think, is the one which is on the side of your screen, which is number 9. So I would say that use number 9 button for Big 6 screen. So let me just show you how you can enable that on Sony FX6 first of all. So to enable the Big 6 screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the full menus, and in here I will go on user, and in user I will scroll down till I see assignable button. I will come here, I will go on number 9 because it is right here. So I will say number 9 and I'm gonna assign this button to home. So I will look for home wherever it is. There you go. So this is home. So I clicked on it. I will go back. I will go out of the menu. Now if I press 9 button, you can see it's going to the Big 6 screen on Sony FX6, and if I click it again, it will switch. So this is how you can access your Big 6 screen on Sony FX6.